Good morning. This morning I'm going to give you guys a basic quick tutorial about how to use ScreenCast-O-Matic. Now I apologize, I have to film my screen in order to do this because I ran into the problem of doing a screencast of a screencast, so I apologize if I'm shaking too much here. But all you have to do is Google ScreenCast-O-Matic. You get this original link here, so you click this. What'll happen then is it'll open up and you're going to have to create a account. So I've already created one. It's free. It's super easy. It asks you 5 questions. Then what you simply do is go down here to start recording for free, launch free recorder. Now what'll happen then, it'll ask you to download something from the internet. You say yes, open the screen recorder launcher, and then you are presented with this screen, which will pop up momentarily. Now, what's going to happen here, it's going to give you this little guy. So you have several options over here. What you can do is you can do just a screen record, so you record your entire screen. You could do the webcam, so there I am filming the camera. Or you could do a combination of both, which is what I prefer. So you can actually see your face down over here in the right-hand corner, but also you can see the screen. Now, you can also change the size. So if you want, you can click something like this, and this will allow you to only record a very small amount of your screen. For example, if you are only interested in filming yourself during a Zoom conference, but you want to hear everybody else in the background, all you would do is you would grab this and drag it to your picture. That way you don't have to come in contact with any issues of privacy or anything along those lines, but you can still hear the voices of everybody participating in the lesson in the background. Now, what I typically do for my students in my 7th grade class is I'll go full screen, because then once you click record, it'll give you the little countdown, and you can simply go through and it will play exactly everything that you do on your screen, complete with music. Anything that happens on your computer screen will be screen recorded in ScreenCast-O-Matic. So when you're all done with your presentation, you go through, you do your lessons, you have everything pop up, you do everything that you've ever needed, you come down here, press pause, then it gives you a couple final options. You simply click done, save and upload, and then what you can do is you can upload it straight to YouTube, or you can upload it to your file. I hope that was nice and easy and simple for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below.